Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice and mindful test prep, coming at you today with an ACT math question. Come on! This was question 55 on ACT 59F. Now right there, pause it. Pause the video. Why not take a crack at it yourself? And then when you're done, you can unpause the video and watch the explanation. See how you did. Could be good. All right, let's get in there. It reads, for some real number A, the graph of the line y equals parentheses a plus 1, close parentheses, x plus 8 in the standard xy coordinate plane passes through 2, 6. What is the slope of this line? Good thing for me, we're dealing with the standard xy coordinate plane. That is my favorite coordinate plane, as you may know. But they seem to be throwing a lot of unknowns at us, right? We got y equals a plus 1. There are 3 letters in this equation, but there don't have to be. For an equation of the line, every point has to satisfy it. Meaning that if we were to plug in 2 for x and 6 for y, then the equation would work. So let's do so. Let's see what happens. So 6 equals a plus 1. Who knows what a is? If we knew that, we wouldn't be doing the question, am I right? Yeah. And 2 is x plus 8. All right, let's distribute and stuff. 6 equals 2a plus 2 plus 8. Well, now we just want to isolate for a, algebra style. Okay. Well, these two are going to combine to equal 10, and then we subtract 10 from both sides. We got negative 4 equals 2a. We'll divide both sides by 2, so we have negative 2 equals a. Oh man, but negative 2 is not an option. Good, I'm glad, because it would be wrong. Because that's not what the question was asking us. They didn't want to know what a was. They wanted to know what the slope of the line was. So we look back to the original equation, which is basically in y equals mx plus b form. And in that form, the coefficient on the x term is the slope, which in this case was a plus 1. Well, now we know that a is negative 2. So negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So the slope is negative 1. And that was 55 in the math section, meaning it should be the 6th most difficult question. But we found that by plugging the point into the equation of the line, we suddenly knew much more about what we were dealing with. Now, it was fortunate that they didn't make a negative 2 an answer choice. They really should have, and they probably will on a more recent test. So we need to keep in mind always to double check, what is the question? Because the end of our equation is not necessarily the end of the problem. They were actually asking us for slope, so we needed to take our a term and add 1 to it. So we got negative 1. Very cool. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? My name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.